Hello and welcome to the St Helens SEO Show, presented by me, Christopher Chorley, in association with CN Marketing Solutions. And today's topic is, what is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a free tracking software from Google that you install on your website or web page, and it can track a lot of data for you, which in return you can use for your marketing, and it will give you a lot of information. So if we just go into one of the websites and we have a look at the Google Analytics, you can set the home page to how you want, but this is how it normally feels when you're in there. If we have a look and we go to acquisition, all traffic, channels. Basically what it is, this is telling me how many people has visited my site, well not my site, but this site, within this date range. And it's also telling me where it's coming from. So direct is, have they just typed in the brand name direct into Google and gone straight to it? Organic search is in the organic listings. Have they typed in a keyword? What keyword have they typed in to get to this website? Referral traffic could be from, have they written a blog on another website and they clicked on the link and it's took them to my site? Have they come from YouTube? That's referral. And then obviously social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever social channels you have set up. So it can give you really in-depth insights of where your traffic's coming from. But not only that, you can see what channels it's coming from, but also you can go deeper and see which it's coming from. You can see all the different types of channels, traffic, everything. If we have just do an overview, if you have a look at the audience, you can have a look at your audience. By audience, you can see what country, what city, what browser they've been using, what operating system. You can get really, really targeted. Language. You see what most of the languages, where they're coming from. See if it's spam traffic coming to you. You can see what age, the age group of the people visiting your website. You have a look at the browsers. More people are searching on Safari than Chrome. Like I said, there's a lot of relevant information, valuable information, what you can get from Google Analytics to see about your website and how it's performing. You can set up conversion tracking, and then if somebody signs up for a newsletter or a contact us page through your website, you can track it. You can add a value to that as well. If you've got an e-commerce website, you can do the same with that. I mean, I really encourage you to get this set up on your website and really start digging into it and really understanding your audience. Because if you're doing pay-per-click advertising or you're doing social media advertising and you're paying for it, you can get really targeted, because you can go to your analytics, you can find out where they're coming from, what language, what country they're coming from, what the age group is, are they coming from mobile or desktop, and then you can set your campaigns, your social media campaigns, so targeted that you know what you're getting. So it's a phenomenal tool to have, and I encourage anybody to get it. It's simple enough to do. There's plenty of tutorials online, especially YouTube. But if you have any trouble, by all means, reach out to me and I'll put it on for you. But if you want to check if you've got it, you can either just go to your website, and if you just right click, view page source, and then just do Command and F or Control and F if you're on Windows, and then just type in Google Analytics, and it'll come up and it shows you the Google Analytics tracking code. Or another way of finding it, you can just type in capital UA hyphen, and you can see the tracking code. This is a tracking code where I've implemented on my website to track all the data, what I need. But if you find that a bit too hard for you, you can just go type into Google GA tracker. Is that what it was called? There you go. You just type in GA checker, and then go to the top one. If you just type your website in there, and then press check your site, it will check your site for you when it loads. As you can see, it just tells you what tracking code you've got on. Basically, you want to have Universal Analytics tracking code. Just ignore the rest for now. That's fine. As long as you've got Universal Analytics tracking code set up, that's all fine. But like I said, if you have any problems at all, just reach out to me. And I hope you understand why Google Analytics is really important to have on your website and for your business. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of the St Helens SEO Show. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thanks for now. Bye.